placements already. I got the placements for Michael.
So you want to finish it off?
Hmm?
You want to finish it off? There we go.
That's good. Go what? Is it recording? We're ready to get fucking manga sanji.
Yes. Wait, if we pull the manga sanji. My friend said he'd buy it for 500 USD straight up. Is that more than what Jack would offer?
Damn, I don't know. The next month will be the bigger. Next month we'll bring the case home and open it here.
They can film it still.
Hello. Welcome. We're opening a One Piece The Best PRB02. Hopefully we can get the manga sanji, but let's see how it goes.
Let's go.
Do you want to do the honors? First pack magic. Which one you want? Which side do you want?
It's massive.
We got a box like.
Keep it like this.
So first pack.
True.
All right.
What you got?
What you got? Oh, not bad.
Not great.
It's sorted out. So yellow,
Two.
black.
One shiny.
Got a shiny one.
Yeah.
Red. I'm going to resort this. A Rebecca for the SR.
Oh yeah.
Should. Oh, but and a Jinbei Don.
It's purple.
Oh no, that's a SR. So chuck it there.
That's Don?
Nice. Alright, next pack.
Yep.
Not the best of luck, but some playable SR.
True. So, tell me the sanji. We have playset now?
I think we should have a playset now. Apu. Gion. Oh, we have to resort the cards.
Yeah.
Because it's the other way around. Pudding. Oh, nice. Very nice. Teach. A foil Calgara, which is cool.
Oh, is that
Shirahoshi. Yeah, nice.
Black Vortex.
Nice. Alright, next pack. It's just the same side as me. Both your side. Alright. See what we get here. Zoro from the start of it.
Babies.
I love the babies.
Usohachi, always good.
Oh, and we got a Law SR. That's good. And we got the Ace Secret. So that's our playset?
Playset and playset.
I already got the playset for that. That's
This?
right. Oh, that's one of the new
Alt art?
cards.
So.
No, it's not alt art. It's just a new Lucky.
Oh yeah.
So they did one of the new cards. Shiny Usohachi, nice. Next pack. Alright, so we got the Law, which is good. That basically that pays for 2 packs.
And Ace is good too, because finish something out.
Wait, you should. Next time I see it come my way, you should. Oh, we got the Marco.
Do you need this Ace?
Yeah, I actually need that. Marco and Cavendish, some pretty decent hits.
Marco's good. Oh, Cavendish is good.
Yeah, nice. Oh, and a foil Don. What? Who's that?
Sanji?
Pudding. That's Pudding.
Pudding? Someone was looking for Pudding, I think.
No, someone had Pudding.
Oh,
And we're all up here, so we'll see. Any of us hit? No. We can play Rayleigh.
always.
No,
What?
Jet Gatling.
What's that?
Oh, that's an alt art. That's a crocodile alt art. Oh, this is the 2K, so this would be a neutral bowler.
True.
I didn't get sleeves, so I should probably get sleeves. We got the Rayleigh.
You got Rayleigh in the same pack?
What do you mean?
You got Rayleigh and that guy in the same pack?
Yeah, that's a secret.
That seems OP.
The hit. So we got one hit left each, surely.
You want to rip a pack here?
Huh?
So the manga chase still continues.
The manga chase continues.
We have the
Does
shittest
manga
luck.
count as a hit?
I think it's like the third hit,
separate
or I think it's separate.
Oh.
I'm not sure. Oh, one of the names, which is good.
One of these Zoras, that's always good. Oh,
Oh yes,
Is
so we
that-
need that Saber, yeah. That's some nice foiling on some of these cards.
yeah.
Slave arrow. Nice.
Yeah,
Alright,
that's
we're
usable.
halfway there. Are we halfway there or are we more than halfway? Yeah, we're a bit more than halfway there.
Is that the one that can't be KO'd? Or that's a
No,
different
that's
one?
the one that costs less,
Oh, yeah.
depending on cards in your trash.
I wonder if it's with all the Loom cards.
Shakes.
I got a Boa.
Oh, nice. That's one of the new bells. That's good.
And a Sanji. Is that? No, that's not special.
Alright.
Is that the 2K Boa
Yeah.
crop?
Yeah, the 2K gold box. Gamma knife. The full gamma knifes are nice.
True, true.
Dum Dum Giant.
Got a Sabo. I don't know if that's
Oh, nice.
usable.
That is. So, oh, and the pudding. That's a good SR. We get the good SRs.
Oh, what the fuck?
The shiny one.
I don't even work.
Alright, who's gonna? Yeah, it looks like a normal box. It is alright. No manga sanji.
I think it's done.
I think it's done. Unless we get like a gold done. We have potential. Oh!
What did you get?
I got another. I got the pudding.
Alt art.
Which is nice.
Okay, that's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Trade it up. One of these. Is this up?
Yeah.
Damn.
Pudding.
Oops, wrong one. And round.
That's a good SR. Well, that was pretty nice.
True.
Alright, one of this has either a foil don or a gold don.
Better be gold.
It better be gold. Or it could be manga, who knows?
True, true. Gonna be both.
Deco Moria.
Alright, is that
Oh, that's a
SR?
good SR too.
Is that SR?
We're on a 12.
Sabo?
It's on this other. And I got a foil don, but it's. I don't know.
Got the foil don. I just got a regular don. What is that?
I don't know who this is. I think it's Katakuri.
Really?
No. It's I don't know who this is. Was that Luffy?
Luffy. What, the hand is black.
That's not
it's
the
bendy.
worst box. We got this, which is good.
Yeah.
That's alright.
We live in
Better luck next time.
Sell that immediately or?
I think someone wants them. So I'll see.
Yeah,
Notice that.
From the set.
The set, I think we've got everything we need. We've got all the good SRs too. So I'll need to get rid of a Marco.
Oh, we're doing extra marker.
Yeah, we've got extra Marco, extra Lore.
That's always good.
I got a full playset of puddings now, which is good. And bro, 6 boxes. We basically got 6. If we bought a case,
Yeah.
our next 4 boxes would all be hits.
Oh.
Yeah, we got pretty unlucky. That's alright.
That's the luck of the draw.
Yeah, that's why we're buying a case next time. Ugh. That's alright. I'm gonna buy a case. Oh, okay. I'm still down to buy a case. I swear, yeah. Alright, now I need to make dough. I need to leave these.
Yeah.
Wait, where's the bottom? No, these two.
Oh, and these. Sleep.
Oh yeah, I need to
All
leave
this
all
up.
that. No, let's do this out.
Yes, our box is not gonna fit.
It doesn't fit already.
Oh,
No.
that's so funny.
This box, no, like this box probably broke even.
We're gonna never get out soon. We can have that.
Yeah, this box may have broke even, so it's not too bad.
Yeah.
Only because you can probably sell it's like $10 each. This could be good.
We put in.
Yep.
What deck do you use that in?
Purple Tata.
Oh.
So I can probably build it now because I've got a full playset.
Oh.
Yeah, that Nami is also good for all the purple decks.